Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a video to TikTok, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and after that tap on this upload button at the top of the screen. Should wait a few seconds till it loads, but then you will be able to tap on this select file button on the left side, and from your files you should tap on a video that you want to upload. As you can see, it's being uploaded, which might take a few seconds, but after that you can add the caption to your video, you can add the cover, you can select who can watch this video. You can set it to public, meaning that everyone will be able to see it, or only your friends, or you can set it to private. You can allow users to either comment to it or end stitch to it. And you can also run a copyright check if you want to by tapping on this button after it's being uploaded. And if you are done with these steps, tap on this pause button down below so you will be able to post it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.